Alright guys, we're back at the Alico parking garage in downtown Waco, Texas. And some of you might think these elevators have been modernized, right? Well, it is April 9th, 2025, and these elevators are still strong. These elevators still live on. They're still original. It's got a recessible bumper. 5. That was pretty quick. I think 6 is locked, I suppose. Six is locked. These are quite fast. I'm gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. I'm not gonna take for so much rides on these elevators because I already got a good video of it a while back. It's gotta be top-driven traction. I don't know if the other elevator car works or not. Record states that these elevators are from 81, but that's not accurate. These elevators are from 1966, according to Northwest Indiana Elevators. I don't know if the other elevator car even works or not. But I can hear the relays. These might be bottom drive. Yeah, it doesn't look like the other elevator car works, I don't think. I don't know if these are top driven or bottom. That sounds like top driven. This thing's amazing. I don't know if these are either top driven or bottom drive. Can you turn the fan off? Oh, that's actually the light buzzing, not the fan. Oh, okay. I don't know what the current condition of these elevators are. They could be getting modernized in the not so distant future, but yet these are still original. Anyways, oh, we're going up. Okay, that was funny. Typical vintage Otis elevator behavior. Is it this floor? Yes, it is. Can you hear the relay? I was hoping you hear the relay on this. Can you hear the relay? No, I don't think you can. But anyway, I'm gonna let you listen to this thing start up one more time. We're gonna end the video. So glad that these elevators are still original. Alright, and as I close out the video, look what I'm wearing. Coincidentally enough, here's my Otis shirt that you guys are seeing right here. What do you guys think? So with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.